You guys barely missed it, but that dude right there just proposed, and that girl just said yes. Wow. This hasn't happened this year yet, but today's actually the first time I've overslept one of my classes. It's about 11:15 a.m. Now it's time to actually get started with today. It looks like it's gonna rain really hard. Good thing I brought an umbrella. Oh wait, I didn't. I slept past my first class and I didn't pay attention to my second one because I was too busy thinking about how I'm gonna edit this video. But now it's just time for me to head to my favorite place. Here we are. That right there, that's the gym. And then hopefully it doesn't rain because I didn't bring an umbrella or a jacket, and oh gosh, it's windy. Back when I was a freshman, I actually came here like every single day when I had a lot of time on my hands. I'm actually really glad that I was smart enough to bring an extra shirt because I didn't want to walk around with a tank top on all day long when it looked like it was about to rain. That's it for today's workout. And now I have to run to class because I'm actually really late. This is great. I like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's actually raining, and by the looks of it, I don't have an umbrella. Plus, I'm wearing this, so this is great. Oh, and also, there was lightning earlier, and there's a huge clap of thunder, which made me feel like I could hear my soul leaving my body. So contrary to it being pretty sunny outside right now, as much as I enjoy the free shower, it's actually raining, so I need to head in and find shelter. I thought that I was gonna just stop in for like a quick little snack, but the food just keeps hopping in my mouth. I regret so much right now.
Can I lock the door now? It's 'cause I've gone home and soon we will chill. Again, I'm falling for you. So you wrap your arms round mine, and I can't fight the feeling that builds up inside. It's just so hard to resist that taste of your kiss. I just wanna beg you for more, and you just won't listen when I tell you.
Alright, so that guy just proposed. What you guys saw was actually not real at all. It was actually fake. The guys came up to me afterwards and just told me it was fake, but asked for a video of it. So yeah, I wish I had a ring pop too.